Alright guys, I'm back. Welcome to my channel, Freeone Tutorial. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a YouTube profile channel. You just click on the plus and click a draw and click on this, but you're gonna reload it. Yep. To size 1280, and you just click on this and reload. First you gonna see like this, but you reload it and then click on this arrow. It will pop out like this. I reload it. Now I have a big size, but I don't want a big size because you watch that my video is not big size, you just small size, right? And I'm gonna first you gonna click this. You can also make logo or some picture channel if you like. Yep. But I want to make a picture profile first. I don't want to make a logo. First you just take this and then you just make your design. It's up to you. You can design everything if you like, but my design I want like this. First I take a circle and another circle because I like it, and then add a picture. I'm gonna take this picture. Oopsie, it's wrong. Just wait. I'm gonna get back. But at first, you guys take a photo first. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. First, you gonna add a photo first. Yep. And here we go. And you're gonna go take this arrow and go to edit image. And just wait. And here, you're gonna take effect. But my effect is like this. I want like this. My effect I want like this. And then you just take it again. And then take this. Just wait. Get back. First you're gonna save it. And now I save it. And just go back. This card. And right here you just click on this and put an image. This image. You just zoom it. And you just get a shape or like a circle or sphere it. You want your style and your design. And if you want to design like me, just follow my step and just do for my step like this. And I want like this because my design, I love this. And then you just wait a minute, you just click on this edit image again, and then add a picture because my design want like this. Yep, it's have a galaxy on my face. it's powerful and raw, but I don't like but I don't like add a picture or something because it's not cool. I just take this and then you just zoom it and here and go to the blind, click on screen and here we go. Just wait with it. And here we go. You just click on this tick and take this. Wait a minute. You just get next. Cross it. And you got save. Back again. This card. Back all that. And you just add another photo again. Take the photo. And zoom it. And draw white. Draw white right here. Here. You just draw because you're gonna erase this because the background and this shape is not good for you, because when you add profile channel you will see like that. Yep. And if you don't want to see your profile see like that, you just erase it. Draw erase is up to you, but I think draw. And then you got, but I don't want to make another picture. I just show you, and if you draw it all, you just click here, save and share, and save it, and then all done. And if you guys want to know how to make a channel art, yep, you actually know a channel art is mean a cover YouTube. But if you want to know how to do it, you just click my video how to make a channel art. And this time I'm gonna say goodbye. See you next time on my video or next time. Bye.